اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the remaining surah of Suratul Buruj. So before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Innal ladhina amanu wa وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير. إن الذين, there is a shad sign on the noon, we make gunna. Zal we read in soft sound and we long due to yamadda. Inna alladhina amanu, we long due to standing fatha on it. Nu we long due to waw madda. Amanu وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Lam we connect with the Sad, and Sad we read in heavy sound. وَعَمِلُوا, and on the Sad we make hams quality, and also we read sift isti'la. Sad we long due to standing fatha as well. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Ha we read from the middle of the throat, and also we long. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ lahum jannatun. After the meme sakin there is jim, we make izhar shafawi, the clear sound of meme. Lahum jan. On the noon we make gunna. After the tanween, the next is ta, we make ikhfa sound here, we hide the sound of noon. On the jim we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Ra we read in light sound. Ya is madda here, we long here. So we say jannatun tajri min tahtiha al-anhar. After the noon sakin, the next is ta, again we make ikhfa. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Tahtihal, ha we connect with the lam. Tahtihal anhar. On the noon we make izhar. After the noon sakin, the next is ha. So we make the clear sound of noon as we say anhar. Ha we long due to standing fatha, and this ra we read in heavy sound, and we say min tahtiha al-anhar. Dhalika, zal we read in soft sound and also we long. Dhalika, kaf we read in light sound. Dhalika al-fawzul, there is wawlin, we read soft sound. Kabir, kaf again we read in light sound. B we long due to yamadda, and when we stop here, so this ra also we read in light sound. So we say ذَلِكَ الْفَوْزُ الْكَبِيرُ. And now we say إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٌ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ ذَلِكَ الْفَوْزُ الْكَبِيرُ. إن بطش ربك لشديد. Inna, on the noon we make gunna. Batsha, this ta we read in heavy sound, and also we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Batsha. Rabbika, ra we read in heavy sound. Rabbika, kaf we read in light sound. Rabbika lashadid. Dal we long due to yamadda, and if we stop here, so we make qalqala. Lashadid. Inna batsha rabbika lashadid. إنه إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد إنه noon has a shadda, we may gunna. How we learn due to inward dhamma. إنه huwa yubdi'u. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, and instead of ya we read hamza. Yubdi'u wa yu'id. Ain we read from the middle of the throat, and then we long due to ya madda, and then also we make qalqala on the dal. Wa yu'id. Innahu huwa yubdi'u wa yu'id. وهو الغفور الودود وهو الغفور الودود وهو الغا. Ghain we read in heavy sound, fa we learn due to waw madda, ra again in heavy sound, wadud, this is waw madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. So we say again, وهو الغفور الودود ذو العرش المجيد ذو العرش المجيد. Dhul, zal we connect directly with the lam. Dhul arshil. On the ra we read in heavy sound, because ra has a sukoon sign and there is fatha before the ra. Arshil majid. Jim we long due to ya madda. On the dal we make qalqala. Dhul arshil majid. Fa'alul lima yurid. Fa'alul lima yurid. Fa we connect with the ain, fa'a, and also we long due to alif madda. Fa'alul lima yurid. So this is again alif madda here, and here is ya madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. Lima yurid. Fa'alul lima yurid. Hal ataka. هل أتاك حديث الجنود حديث الجنود. هل أتاك. Ta we read in light sound, and also we long due to standing fatha. Kaf again we read in light sound. هل أتاك حديث. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Dal we long due to ya madda. Sa we read in soft sound. حديث Junud. Noon we long due to waw madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. Junud. Hadithul Junud. Hal ataka hadithul Junud. Fir'auna wa Samud. Fir'auna wa Samud. Fir'auna. This ra we read in light sound because ra has a sukoon sign and there is a kasra before the ra. But after the ra, the next letter is not a isti'la letter, like not a heavy letter. So this is ain, which is the light letter. So this is a reason to read this ra in light sound. So we say Fir'auna wa Thamud. So this meme we long due to waw madda on the dal we make qalqala. Fir'auna wa Thamud. بل الذين كفروا بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب في تكذيب. بل الذين, zal we long due to ya madda. Kafaru, ra we read in heavy sound, and also we long due to waw madda. بل الذين كفروا. Fi, this is ya madda, we are longing. Takdhib. On the kaf we make shiddat and hams quality, like takdhib. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to ya madda, and on the ba we make qalqala. Fi takdhib. And if you want to continue, so then this will be idgham with gunna, because after the tanween then waw comes, which is from yarmalun letters. So we say then fi takdhibin wallahu. But right now we are stopping, so we say fi takdhib. بل الذین کفروا فی تکذیب واللہ من ورائہم محیط من ورائہم محیط. Wallahu, the name of Allah we read in heavy sound because there is fatha on the before letter. Wallahu, min, after the nun sakin the next is waw, we make idgham with gunna. Min wara, ra we read in heavy sound and also we long, this is madde muttasil, so we long 3 to 5 seconds. Waraihim, after the mim sakin the next is mim, so we make it ghami shafawi like the gunna sound, so we say min waraihim muhit. How we read from the middle of the throat and also we long, due to yamadda on the ta we read a heavy sound and also we make qalqala if we stop, so we say muhit. And now we say Wallahu min waraihim muhit. Bal huwa Qur'anun Majid. Bal huwa Qur'anun Majid. Bal huwa, we do not long any letter. Qur'a, qaf we read in heavy sound and ra as well because ra has a sukun sign and there is dhamma before. Qur'anun, we long due to standing fatha on it. Qur'anum, after the tanween the next is mim, we make it idgham with gunna, and then jim we long due to yamadda on the dal we make qalqala, so we say Qur'anum Majid. Bal huwa Qur'anum Majid. Fi lawhim mahfuz. Fi we long due to yamadda, law, this is vowlin, we read soft. After the tanween the next is me, we make again gunna. Fi lawhim mahfuz. On the ha we read hams quality, fa we long due to waw madda, and za we read in heavy sound and also we read soft sound as well, so we say mahfuz. Fi lawhim mahfuz. Now we repeat all and now we read again the whole, so listen carefully and then try with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير إن بطش ربك لشديد إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد وهو الغفور الودود ذو العرش المجيد فعال لما يريد هل أتاك حديث الجنود فرعون وثمود بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب والله من ورائهم محيط بل هو قرآن مجيد في لوح محفوظ. I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.